This is 2015 AMC 12A problem 5, and let's change that font color back to black. Amelia needs to estimate the quantity a over b minus c, and a, b, and c are large positive integers, and she's going to round each of the integers so that the calculation will be easier to do in her head, to do mentally. In which of these situations will her answer necessarily be greater than the exact value of a over b minus c? So you have a over b minus c, and you're either rounding a up or down, and we want and same applies for b and c, and you want the entire expression to be greater than what it's supposed to be. So for a, to make the entire thing to be greater, you'd want a to be bigger, because bigger a is going to mean you're going to be dividing something by, you're going to be dividing something greater. So like 10 over 2, 20 over 2, 30 over 2. You can realize as the numerator, the number on the top gets bigger, the entire fraction gets bigger. So you want a to be as big as possible. How about b? Do you want to round it up or down? Well, for b, we want to round it down, and the reason is, consider this. Let's consider 1 over 1, 1 over 2, 1 over 3, 1 over 4. As the number in the bottom gets larger, the entire fraction with the same numerator gets smaller. On the other hand, when the number in the bottom gets smaller, 4, 3, 2, 1, the entire fraction gets larger. So we want b to go smaller, so the entire thing becomes larger. How about c? You're subtracting c, so you don't want to subtract as much as possible. So you want c to be rounded down. So you want a to be rounded up and b and c to be rounded down. And that's precisely the answer D.